Hey, how you guys doing today? Bet you're wondering what's going on right now. We're about to find out.
Browsy, stop.
This is a laughing matter. This is a plug.
This is a business, Bronzy. You're left.
Ladies and gentlemen, you may be wondering, why are there so many giveaways going on YouTube right now? Well, we figured we just had to get in on it. All right, so what you guys are looking at right here is a set of quick jacks. You can see here, there's a little pump, you get a little controller. And you can jack up your car easily and safely in your driveway. Now we know a ton of you guys work on your cars in your garages, driveways, or even at the track. And this is pretty much what you're gonna get. You're not gonna get my used up one though. We're gonna send you a brand new 5,000 pound quick jack lift setup. If you place an order in the month of March, you're automatically entered in to win one of these quick jack sets. We're really excited about this giveaway. We know it's gonna go a long ways for someone. It's super versatile, easy to use, and it's really safe for in your driveway. So after this video, swing on over to CleetusMcFarland.com, check out the merch, see what you think, and maybe place an order and you'll be automatically entered in to win these quick jacks.
Hell yeah, brother. You're on the Cleetus McFarland YouTube channel.
All right, guys, so we're doing an unplanned fan mail in my room right now. We got Holly and Justin. This guy sent some fan mail in, and he went so hard that he put a Dale photo on every side of the box. Hold on, did he get the bottom? No. Look at that. That one looks like it's hand drawn.
She came
Oh,
me.
man.
You saw it?
Even Holly's intrigued.
Oh my god.
Oh, what is this? Okay. Hell yeah, brother. Right here are some Dale brewskis. There's even directions on the can for how you can enter to win an epic Texas race weekend. Please be sure to enjoy responsibly. Don't drink your Dale beverages, then drive your Dale NASCAR truck. If it's not your taste, then of course there's some refreshing real sugar Mountain Dew. Damn, dude, this guy is hooking it up. Also included are some pictures of an exoskeleton car I'm building, which I am powering with a Honda K20 engine. No twin turbo skis, but it has a supercharger setup. I designed and built myself. Running E85, it should make around 500 panda bears at the crank. Not a massive number by Leroy standards, but the car is going to weigh about 1,700 pounds. So hell yeah, brother, I agree with that. If people want to see more of the car and follow the progress, they can go to wheelalignmenttools.com and hit the blogs section. Very cool. Holly, quit nibbling on this box. As a web address may suggest, my business manufactures and sells wheel alignment tools designed for do-it-yourself mechanics. So any do-it-yourselfers and mechanics out there that want to be able to do their own wheel alignment should head to the site as well. Again, it's wheelalignmenttools.com. Very freaking cool. Thank you, Nick. Let's see. He attached some photos. Oh, look at that, Holly. See that? Oh. All right. There it is. Oh, we got the motor in there. Custom supercharger. Okay.
Centrifugal.
Dude, this is really cool, man. Guy's intercooler. Wow. All right, let's see what he said. He said Dale Brewskis. Oh, it's a 6-pack.
Yep.
Okay, let's see. Oh, Dale's Pale Ale.
That's good.
And then we got Holly's Mountain Drool here. Holly, get this out of here. And then
real sugar.
Some real
Mountain
sugar Mountain Dews. This is some vintage looking stuff here. Can you buy these now? Okay. That's pretty cool. Very cool, Nick. Thank you for the fan mail, and the box wrap you did was amazing. All right, guys, so today we got the C7 in the shop as well, and she's actually looking rather clean for her normal state. So, as you guys know, the C7 was outside for months on end because we had Leroy in my garage at home, and then the rest of our merchandise, so the C7 just sat outside, got really freaking dirty. Justin here, aka Stain Killer, he's got probably one of the sexiest C7s on the planet. Just washed it, and we actually got some Adams polishes stuff in the mail, so we are going to crack this stuff open, check out what they sent us, and Justin's going to do a once over on the C7. Apparently polished her up. You're looking good.
I've never used Adams stuff before, but we're going to give it a shot.
Hell yeah, brother. Try it out.
Good.
Oh, it's
yep.
a sprayer.
I know what that is. Pressure washer sprayer thing.
Oh, nice.
Oh yes sir. Tire and rubber cleaner.
Sweet. It's even got the little sprayer nozzles, a bunch of air fresheners and stickers.
All right, lanyards, air freshener, stickers. Oh, is this one of them special wash, but oh, it's heavy. It's definitely got some stuff in it. Hopefully this is one of those ones that has the false bottom thing so the dirt can fall through. Holy crap.
This is getting serious.
Dude, this is getting serious fast. Oh my gosh.
Wow, look at all that they got.
Oh, we got wash mitts. Hell yeah.
Yeah, Daddy likes this.
A soft polishing towel. Ooh,
Got some
Whoa.
buttery wax.
It looks like butter.
It looks like honey butter.
It does. Dude, there's so much good stuff in here. Revive hand polish. Visco clay.
Yeah, your car needs that. For
Yeah.
Sure.
Shampoo. Oh, we're gonna get your hair looking nice, C7. Oh, it is. It does have the false bottom. Look at
Yeah,
that.
so it catches the dirt.
Oh, is
So
this
you
for
don't just like keep picking up dirt off the bottom.
yeah, that's
You
cool.
can use this on tires or wherever you
Oh,
want.
is that for?
Oh, here you go.
Well,
The
it's
detail
an
spray.
it's an applicator pen.
This is the stuff
These are
right
cool.
here, the
Yeah,
detail
we're gonna-
spray.
Well, hell yeah, we got a ton of stuff from Adams Polishes. We are gonna get the C7 looking pretty here in just a little while. Thank you to Kyle Martin for sending us this Adams Polishes stuff. We will put it to good use. You guys check out Adam Polishes online. You can check out all their cool stuff. They have a ton of detailing supplies. So what I will be working on today is good old Leroy. I'm gonna pop the transmission out. That is no big deal on this car. We have done it 10 billion gajillion times. Just, you remember how we had all the clutch issues and whatnot. So I've gotten pretty good at it. Shouldn't take long. I'm gonna pull that out today, send it back to RPM Transmissions for a refresh. Should be a pretty simple job, and I know those guys will have it back to me in no time. At that point, Leroy is gonna be rock freaking solid, and it will be ready to go for 7s when it comes TX2K time. I think this might be one of the final pieces of the puzzle, but I did hear we have some special parts coming from Texas Speed and Performance as well that are gonna help us on our quest for the 7. All right, transmission's coming out easy. Jeremy's putting a
V3.
V3 on the dyno.
They just ported the blower.
Yeah. The shop is popping off, guys. We are finally like really getting to use this place. It feels so dang good. So dang good. And it's gonna be so easy to clean because we got these great floors.
We got the whole family here. I mean, look, there's the Dale truck. We got the C7.
Buffy's outside.
We got my car, the Renly, Leroy,
Wait, is this everything?
Buffy,
Oh, the Diamond Cargo.
the Diamond Cargo, the Tahoe.
Everything's here.
We got the Diamond Cargo, the Tahoe, and even the Crown Vic that you guys keep asking about. It is still happening. The Crown Vic is still happening, right? People ask.
Oh yeah.
People say we forgot about Neighbor, but
Crown Vic's still going down. We have every vehicle we own here. That's crazy. That's a whole lot. That's the first time it's ever happened, I think.
yeah.
Wow, cool. All right, guys, got the old America transmission thrown in there. You can see it's dirty. It is beat up. That thing needs some work, and we know the guys at RPM will hook it up, get it back to us better than ever, ready to bang gears in the 7th. And then we also have the Dale Trucks old T56 that's going back too. She's pretty beat up, so that's a core for them. But cool, we're gonna strap it down, send it out.
We should be sending out one more trans.
We got the V's transmission coming too.
Sorry, RPM.
We got the V's transmission coming too, Jeremy. Sorry about the wait on that. It's coming.
So did you do the transmission delete mod?
Yes, sir. Should be faster than ever.
Wow. What kind of 60 foots do you think you'll get with that?
It's sad, isn't it?
Yeah, it is weird.
Should run good with the new Tesla setup.
Yeah.
We got the new Tesla set up. There's no transmission. We're just gonna put 2 motors back here,
All electric.
and the LS in the front will just be for looks.
That's a generator.
Used as a generator for the battery. Leroy's gonna be pretty heavy after all that.
It'll just be.
Don't matter. It's gonna have 2,000 foot-pounds of torque.
Mm-hmm. There you go. Wait until you claim the stick shift record with that setup.
Boy, it'll really piss everyone off.
Yeah.
It's an electric Pro Mod. All right, so the transmission is out. We are taking the C7 now and the Dale truck. We're gonna go out for a little cruise, take these bad girls home, put some miles on them, and get some dinner. It is a beautiful night here in Florida.
In all the cars, you get pulled over in the damn truck.
Hey, how you doing?
I search your license, registration, insurance with you.
Yes,
The reason I stopped is no U-turn at that intersection. Big sign right beside the stoplight says no U-turn.
Oh, sorry, sir. That's stupid of me. Should have been paying attention.
I didn't-
License?
I didn't see it either.
Hey, brother, I'm just trying to do it for Dale out here, man. Just getting pulled over left and right in the trucks. It's not the cars, it's the trucks. Look, guys, we even got some fans out here. Craziness. All right, guys, well, we just got hit here with a $168 U-turn violation ticket. Oh, $166. Can you guys believe that?
What they get you for?
166 bucks for a U-turn.
Oh my Really?
Yeah, dude, if only this guy knew how much illegal I do on the regular. It's alright. I guess he doesn't do it for Dale.
That's okay.
Yeah, how you guys doing?
Good.
You guys want to get a picture or something real quick? $166 for that Yui. I should have like at least like power slid it or something.